Last week we distributed food packs high up in the Atlas Mountains in Morocco. After hearing about 20 very poor widows, we travelled 2.5 hours to reach them. They needed help with food and money. Most of these widows have no dependents. Some of them have been living alone for many years. Food packs, zakat and sadaqa was given to them, of which they were very grateful. This was the first time they were helped from outside. We gave them some of your zakat and sadaqa. Later, we were invited for food. As we climbed this mountain and spoke to the locals, we saw that they were in need of much more help. This small Berber community of 145 families live in this remote mountain valley, 85 miles from Marrakesh. Almost every one of them is poor, unknown to many people. The majority of them have no jobs that they can make a living from, except a few that have transports to travel to other towns and cities for work. After over 4 years of doing charity work in Morocco, this was the poorest village we have seen. These are the forgotten people. Please help us to help them by donating your zakat, sadaqa and towards a food pack for only £40, which will feed up to 6 people per family for a month. 100% donation policy. To bank transfer from the UK, please use the following sort code and account number. To bank transfer from anywhere else in the world, please use the following IBAN and BIC numbers. Please use the following references with your donations: Morocco food packs, Morocco zakat, Morocco sadaqa. Links in the description of this video. Inshallah, for distribution we will be leaving for Morocco straight after Eid. Jazakallah khair.